welcome back to another video. My name is Inga. If you're new here, welcome to you. So this is a very impromptu video, meaning I did not plan for it, but I said, okay, since I'm doing this, why not record? So forgive me if it does not look, planned. You know what I mean? But yeah, so in my bowl I have some. Can you guess what's in my bowl? But then again, by the title you will see, you would have known what's in the bowl. But anyway, yes, as you guessed it, it's chickpeas. So I actually emptied them from my can. So this is what I'm working with. I emptied 2 cans of, my camera looks blurry here. I don't know what's causing that because I cleaned it. But yeah, I used 2 cans of that in it. So I drained it. I rinsed, then drained, and I emptied them in the bowl. So I should have been processing it. However, I do not have a food processor, so I am just using this to mash them. I'm just doing it the manual way. So I'm almost done. So as I continue, I will show you what else I'm going to be using in there. So just stay tuned for the continuation of this video. Guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment, and yeah, thanks for sticking and staying with Inga Esther. So I'm going to be adding some seasonings now. I have bell pepper, I have some cilantro, I have some chopped onions and garlic, and a bit of red hot pepper right there. Yes, I'm going to be adding that now. Just adding everything. I'm going to use some paprika as well. And some onion powder. So now I'm going in with the paprika. I'm just eyeballing it, just a few sprinkles of it. Yeah, that should be good. And then I'm gonna be adding a bit of onion powder. And you can basically add whatever seasonings and spices you want. So that's it for the onion powder. And then I'm gonna add some flour, but this is some oat flour. It's a half cup of oat flour. So that's what I'm gonna use to combine it. So just say a prayer, y'all. And by the way, this is my first time trying this recipe. It's not an original recipe. So yeah, I just thought I'd share that. So I'm gonna combine it now and let you see. So just for the sake of time, I went ahead and I kneaded the chickpea into a dough. So I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes. I don't know if it will make a difference because it doesn't have any raisin agent, but I'm just gonna do that. And then I'm gonna form them into small balls and just lightly toast them in the frying pan. All right, so I will show you when I am toasting or frying them, okay? All right, guys, see you soon. For the shadow, so these are the chickpeas balls. I'm about to put them in the oil now. So there we have the heated oil. So I'm just gonna drop them in. One by one we go. And we're going in with those balls. Alright, so I'm just gonna let them do their thing. Yeah. Stay tuned for the finished product. Alright, so they're still being cooked, y'all. Guys, I want you to comment down below and let me know if you would deep fry these balls or if you just lightly toast them like I'm doing in a little oil. So for me personally, I've heard, right, that deep frying actually makes you use, technically, it takes less time. I'm not sure, no, it can be a case where you use less oil because obviously you don't, but it takes less time and it fries better. But I personally cannot get used to that idea of using so much oil at once. For number one, for health reason, and number one, from a pocket. I can't get used to the idea of using a whole bottle of oil one time. So that means that I would have to be reusing this oil. And as far as I know, that when you reuse the oil, it's not the best because you have more cholesterol. So let me know, guys, what do you think? How do you fry your foods? So, one speaking about it now, all I can think about is the fact that it's best to abstain from oily food. The less oily food you eat is the better. Because if you're gonna immerse that food in so much oil at once, just think about it, you know. But yeah, that's my 2 cents. I'm just gonna flip them over. Oh, this one getting brown now. We don't want them too brown, you know. We don't want them burn. We want them brown but not burn. And the flavor is really good, y'all. So far, so good. I'm glad I'm not seeing any crumbling because I was worried about that. So nothing is crumbling so far. So yeah, back to the deep frying. The thing about the deep frying now, everything just gets immersed and fried basically at once, you know. But for me, it's a lot. For more reason, I wanna, as I said, for my pocket and also for my health. I think the deep frying really is for me. Even though if I say I don't eat deep fried food, I'd be lying. But I just don't deep fry food. Period. If I have maybe like 1 out of 10 times, you know what I mean? But yeah. But I do understand how it works. But like I said, my reasons for not, I'm just not used to it, guys. I think I waste some money. Yeah. So I'm just gonna let these finish browning and then I'll show them to you. Yeah, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to leave your positive comments. Thank you. So there we have it. That's a finished product right there. So let me just explain to you what I did. I removed it from the oil, from the frying pan, from the heat and everything. And I just placed them on this baking sheet and I put them in the toaster oven for, you know, just a few minutes for them to soak right through. But they were pretty much cooked, however, but because I wasn't deep frying them, I just wanted to make sure that they were, you know, penetrated with the heat. And as a matter of fact, it was safe, guys. It was safe to eat as they were. They were safe to eat as they were because the chickpeas was already cooked, right? But yeah, I just went ahead and, like I said, put it in the oven to cook for a few more minutes. Just like I would have done. Sometimes I fry the chicken and I'm not sure if it is properly soaked. And then I put it in the oven, you know. I'm sure you guys are aware of that kind of thing. So that's what I did. So yeah, that's the chickpeas balls. And guys, by the way, guys, the flavor is awesome. Tastes good. I tasted one already and it's very good. You know, the burst of flavor, everything just infused, you know. It was very nice. So yeah, I'm gonna be serving this for dinner with some rice and peas and some veggies. So I will show you a picture of that. Thank you so much for watching.